Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how you can get the royal bait in Fish It Roblox. So royal bait is one of the most powerful bait in the game for catching high rarity and massive fish. So this is how you can do to find the royal bait. So first you need to head into the fisherman island and find the traveling merchants. It's usually on the left side on the fisherman islands. In here you'll see this boat called traveling merchant, so you can just go talk to the alien merchant in here and click on view shop, and you'll see the royal bait. So in here you can buy the bait for 425k. So you can just click on purchase and it will be added automatically to your list of bait. So guys, thank you so much for watching. That's all from me. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.